Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide airplane mode icon from status bar on any Android phone. For example, in my status bar airplane icon is showing. Now here you can see the edit option, tap on edit. Simply tap on edit. Here you can see airplane mode, simply tap on minus. Now my airplane mode is removed from my status bar. Simply tap on done. Now let's check it out. As you can see here, in my status bar, airplane mode is not showing, but it is showing here. Now simply again scroll down, go in edit the top from here, minus it from here also. Now tap on done. As you can see, it is showing to add 6 button. So I will simply select color inversion. Now again tap on done. Now let's check it out. As you can see here, no airplane mode icon is showing, and here it is also not showing. So this is how you can remove airplane mode icon from any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.